Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to order and pick up the food for yourself from the Bolt Food app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Bolt Food app. And here you have to select a restaurant. But first you have to see if the pickup is available. Um, you can see the restaurant's name, and below you can see that pickup is available. Then if you order something, add it, then view basket. And here on the top, below the restaurant's name, you can see delivery. And here you have to put your address on and so on. But here you can select the pickup. Then you have to go and collect it yourself from the restaurant. Here you will see that it will be ready in 20-25 minutes, and you can go there. And if you are done with the order, then tap on place order. And that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.